Hello, it's the Yorkshire Gardener here. So today's daily tip video is what we're going to be doing is we're going to be planting geranium seeds. Yep, geranium seeds. So I've got 4 packets of these. I bought them when they're in the sale. So we're going to be planting them today. Now is the time to be planting them in January, February or March. So I'm going to start them off nice and early to get them on the way ready for next year. So today's daily tip. Hello, it's the Yorkshire Gardener here. So today's daily video is going to be about planting geranium seeds. Yes, January is the time to be planting them. Also February and March, you can do it when it's a bit warmer, but I'm going to be starting mine off nice and early to get them going. So what we need today is some compost, some seed trays, and obviously the seeds. And also I use my cling film to put over the top to keep them warm, as they won't germinate unless it's around 21 to 24 degrees, which is quite warm. So if you've got a heated greenhouse, that's perfect. If not, you might have to start them off inside where it's somewhere warm and keeps them nice and toasty. So yeah, we're going to start these off today and I'll show you what to do. Also, I'll put in the comments about tips on how to keep the polytunnel warm, and hopefully that should make it a bit warmer to help them germinate. So yeah, let's get going. So first off, you need your seed tray and you need your compost. We're going to fill that up with compost. You need some nice fresh stuff to grow it in. You don't want to use old compost. So you can either compost yourself in your garden, or you can go out and purchase some already composted. So that's nice and full. So you need to do that with all your seed trays and get them all nice and filled. So that's all my seed trays nice and filled with some fresh compost, ready to put the seeds in. I'm not going to put them all in the same trays, I'm going to leave them room to grow. I don't want to put too many seeds in each seed tray. So let's get the seeds in. So these packets contain 20 seeds, so I want to spread them out in each tray. To make use of the trays, they always come in these little sealed bags. Keep them fresh, being careful with them as they are small seeds, geraniums, so you don't want to lose any. And as like I said, very small, you can probably not even see them. There they are. So we just need to sprinkle them out around the seed tray. Like so. Just make sure they're all spread out and not clumped together, because you don't want them all clumped in together. So now we've just got to do the rest of the seed trays. So I've now filled these 4 seed trays with the seeds. Very hard to see, but they're in there. So the next job is to put another layer of compost over the top of them. So we're just going to cover that with another layer of compost. It doesn't have to be too thick, just so that it covers them. one. Just like that. So we've got them all covered and nice and warm. So next up, what we need to do is we need to add some water to it. Just give them a nice little water. And once you've watered them, then it's get them covered. So let's finish them up. I found a watering can now, so I can water them better. And using that milk carton. So get them all nice and watered. So the next job is to get them covered over, to keep them warm. So to cover them, you can either use a propagator, or if you've not got a propagator, I use good old cling film, as that does the job perfectly. It'll keep them moist. So just cover them over. And tear it off, just like so. And it keeps them moist and warm. Perfect. Last one. Cover that one over. So we've got them all covered now. So you'd think you would be done, but we are not done yet. The next important job, which I always forget, is to write labels on them, as once they start growing or you get more plants, you won't remember what you've planted in them, which I tend to do. You have to second guess what you've grown. So you can either use these, what you can get from the shops, or you can use a lollipop stick or anything really, as long as you write the name on your trays so you know what you're growing. So let's get doing that. So they're all labelled up, ready to start growing. You just got to put them somewhere nice and warm to get them germinated. Obviously if you've got the heated greenhouse, ideal, or somewhere nice and warm. So germination usually takes around 7 to 21 days. So don't expect to be seeing them straight away. So let's come back soon and see how we get on. So thanks for watching today's video on planting geranium seeds. Like I said, this is not just going to be about planting fruit and vegetables, it's going to be about planting flowers as well, as flowers are important to growing fruit and veg, as you need the bees in the garden to help pollinate stuff. So we're going to be looking at everything on this how to group. So yeah, if you're watching on YouTube, remember to subscribe and to stay up to date with all my videos. Thanks for watching today's video.